After size loss and shrinkage for low T levels in the 2 digits mark, not knowing for years, can testosterone cypionate grow back the size of your Franken beans over time? If not, what can? Mizumi is the #1 product for acne problems on TRT. Check out the products using the link in the description under this video.
Without knowing a little bit more about this gentleman, age, and any existing comorbidities, I'm going to give this a more generalized answer. Generally, one of the reasons that men in general experience a level of atrophy as they age is generally due to the old use it or lose it mantra. So it's no different than the hypertrophy that you would see in muscle tissue if you were to stop exercising. As the quality of your erections begins to diminish or subside, especially the nocturnal erections that occur, 7 to 10 times per night, you're going to start to lose the ability to generate sufficient blood flow to the area. And with that, you're going to have degradation of the vascular system and of the cavernosum tissue. So if, in fact, this degeneration of erectile function was a result of a hormonal imbalance and not an occlusion due to poor circulation, perhaps secondary to diabetes or any other hypertension or medical condition, then possibly fixing or addressing the underlying issue, which is the hormone deficiency, will not necessarily immediately fix the atrophy, but it may give you an opportunity to go ahead and work on regaining what you've lost. So think about it as a sense of, I have lost something due to diminished use, and now I'm in a position to reuse and utilize my body the way it was designed to be used. And this is going to hopefully generate some angiogenesis and new healthier tissue that is going to regain what you've lost. Remember, you didn't necessarily lose size, but if your erectile quality has suffered, then it may appear to be less full. So when you regenerate proper circulation and hormonal homeostasis, you should experience a return to normalcy or previous levels.
Mm-hmm.